Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Ocean Feast in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you're going to unlock the recipe. You can unlock it after you complete the quest from Massimo. And once you have the recipe, you're going to use your Tidal stove to make the Ocean Feast. Okay, and this is the recipe. You need tomato seafood soup, and then the ocean iced drink, and this one the pearl cake. Then the last one is the grilled squid with fruit jam. I've already made them, so now we're going to cook the ocean feast. Okay, I'm gonna make it using the Tidal stove at the Whalefall Canyon. Okay, don't forget to adjust the heat level to avoid bizarre food. Okay, done. And this is the ocean feast that I've just made. Okay guys, and that's how you can make ocean feast in Heartopia Call of Whales event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.